see you. I've seen you for almost 10 years at that clerk's office, and you let me know if I talk too much, because right now they can right hear my heart. I don't have anything to hide from you. I'm not doing this for the money. It was never the money. I always cared about you guys. I knew what was going on behind the scene. I knew the little smart comments that people made seeing when President Obama was elected as president, and the memo that went around the office that told us we can't even campaign in the office, but yet we campaigned for Gary Anderson. I see you. I want you to see who I am. See how I took off this wig? I'm the realest thing you ever meet, because I've been in the trenches for you. Do you see me now? My heart, I'll pray for you when you come through those doors. I am your best candidate, because this is love, 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 love. That's gonna help you on November 3rd. Trust me when I tell you.
Greetings, my friend. My name is Terrence Moore. I am a resident of Newport News. The clip we just saw, I would like to interject and say life is too short for us to be confined. It's sometimes good to let our hair down or let our hair out. Now, we can look at this and view this from two different ways. It's something positive or something negative. I choose to take the positive approach. I choose to look at a candidate that is so open, that is so transparent, that is willing to even pull their wig off or to go outside the box.
Peace. My name is LaTanya Wallace. I'm speaking to you today about the clerk court candidate for the city of Newport News, Nicole AllmondJoy. I just want to give my testimony as to how she assisted me with me getting my business started. She assisted me in the clerk's office when I was seeking to get a fictitious name for my current business, and she helped me find the paperwork and helped me go through the necessary steps to complete the process. Nicole AllmondJoy, she's a leader. Leaders lead by showing process, by giving you information, by educating you on things you may not know of. That's what I consider a leader to be, and that's why I will vote for her come November 3rd for Newport News City Clerk of Court.
Hi, my name is Nedra Carr Stevenson, and I'd just like to say, please come out and vote November 3rd for Miss Nicole AllmondJoy. She has been so instrumental with my husband and I in the past. I mean, I'm going back maybe 4 or 5 years where we had the pleasure of meeting her at the circuit court because we were, of course, involved in some legal matters. I want to let you all know something. My husband and I have had to literally contend with over 75 lawyers in the past almost 5 years as pro se. It is very difficult to get the proper help that you need nowadays, unless you've committed a crime per se. Civil cases, you're pretty much pro se in it. And it led us to Miss Nicole at the circuit court to assist us. She can only, of course, do so much, but just her honesty, her integrity, as my husband spoke of, was so helpful to us. It was to a point where I'm writing a book. It's entitled Pro Se 35. That 35 represents 35 lawyers that we were contending with when we met Miss Nicole. She didn't know this, but we had exercised the Legal Aid Society to prepaid legal. We've gone to so many, some of your bigger law firms in the area, and these were cases that dealt with Fortune 500 companies, but we could not get an attorney. When we walked into that circuit court on the first floor in Newport News, it was Miss Nicole, I kid you not, that assisted us. There were many times where there were other employees there that, of course, did the best they could, but what we saw was Miss Nicole. She came to the rescue. She offered whatever assistance. If someone didn't understand, she was there. I just ask again to please vote for her. It's because of her that I am now pursuing a law degree. It's because of her that I am now writing a book. Again, I started this several years ago and I tabled it. But again, now, if you all help me get her in that position, I'll complete this book.
I'm Bertram A. Tynes. aka Magic Man. You know, I met AllmondJoy in the year 2012, and I went up to the courthouse and I needed to get some documents. But the one thing I didn't know, I've been carrying around this DD 214 for 30-something years, and I did not know until I met her that I could have recorded that document there. You know, that was imperative information. At the same token, I got the opportunity to meet her in 2011. I went into the courthouse, and AllmondJoy was right there again, pleasant as she always is, you know, and she took care of my concealed weapon permit. She got my license. She told me who, what, when, where, and why, how to go about establishing this thing. And I want to say, look, on November the 3rd, vote for Nicole AllmondJoy for Clerk of Court. Hey, look, this woman has a heart of gold.
My name is Eddie Mundy from the city of Newport News, and I'm here to support AllmondJoy for Clerk of Newport News because of the things that she helped me accomplish in my life of living in this community. She's a great woman, an outstanding clerk. Miss AllmondJoy also helped me expunge my record, get my rights to bear arms back, and she provided me with the proper documentation that I needed to file my petitions.
I'm Tarlisha Hanley, a resident of Newport News, Virginia. AllmondJoy has helped me in a tremendous way. Where I was having trouble to become a marriage commissioner, AllmondJoy stepped in. She gave me the steps and what I needed to become the marriage commissioner versus I was getting help but not the help that I needed to become the person that I am now. The choice for me, AllmondJoy. November 3rd, get out at the polls. Use your strength, use your voice, become the voice for her. Let our voices be the voices for AllmondJoy. November 3rd, vote AllmondJoy.
Hey, I'm Antoine Branch. I've been a resident of Newport News for 35 years. I've been in this community, and I feel that Nicole AllmondJoy is the best candidate for the job to become clerk of court. I once went to the courts to file for an expungement, and she was there. She was very, very professional and helped me with the proper documentations that I needed, and she assisted me in getting that. Vote AllmondJoy. She's the best candidate for the job.
Hi, my name is Gerald Stevenson. Several times I've seen Miss AllmondJoy, and she helped me legally. And Miss AllmondJoy, to me, she's a very kind, considerate, very honest, very, very helpful. I say that because I see some of the staff coming to her for help.
1 week out for the November 3rd election, I'm standing here next to my brother Talib that has been doing a wonderful job with making sure that we ourselves not be biased in this campaign, but make sure that we're screening all the candidates and making choices to benefit and better our community. Again, I'm always excited to make sure that we engage the youth, the next generation, as we teach the process of civics, ourselves 101 grassroots level to the community. We just want to make sure that everyone is aware, and I'm sure that my brother Talib put out a wonderful message to all the candidates that's running to make sure that you're about your business.
AllmondJoy, November 3rd. Let's make that change, family.